My name is Mannancheril, Oommen. I have some heart problem when I'm walking time. I have chest congestion or breathing trouble. That way I have consulting the doctor and then I admitted this hospital, and I am very happy to say few words to this hospital because the dedicated and experienced and the happy working systems in the staffs, management and nursing staff and the cleaning staff. They are very courageous and help me for everything. So I am very happy to say one more time, it's a dedicated and good work in this hospital, especially Dr. Anil Jain. She is very dedicated and good. I'm very happy to say again, Anil and his family and all these works are good. God bless you.